Valentine joined the army 8 months ago. He drives back and forth to the front line nearly every day to evacuate the dead and wounded soldiers. You are going to watch a shocking interview he had with the media that shook the hearts of many persons around the world. Before we begin, you can support us by clicking the subscribe button and share our video to your friends and family. We thank you to watch the video till the end. Following the Russia drone's wave of strike across Ukraine, with civilian feared among the dead and the wounded, the probability of a further Russian missile and airstrike across Ukraine remains high. Valentine, a Ukrainian soldier in Donetsk region, talking to the journalist. Can you tell us what is happening here? There is shelling. There is blood one door to another. There is blood everywhere. Everything is covered by blood. Everything is covered by blood. Blood has a smell, especially fresh blood. When we get closer at 500, 600 meters from enemy, that is what we do. We pick up the wounded, then quickly we drive back because they shell us right away. Have you personally been shelled? Yes, I have. They shoot us every day. When they tell us there is 300, this means there is someone who is wounded. 200 means they are dead. Did you know the soldiers died today? No, I do not know them. Have you seen your fellow soldiers wounded or dead? Of course, yes. I have seen them. How do you feel when you give aid to your fellow soldiers? It's difficult. I cannot explain. Let me now start to clean the blood. Young boys died. They have not seen life yet. It is difficult. They die every day. Life is so hard. It's difficult for me to see that. Sometimes I cry silently. I cry quietly. I do not know what this war is for. Great shells are falling. They are shelling us hard. This part of the front line is very difficult. When there is heavy shelling, it's scary. It's scary. When a tank is shooting at you, when it's mortar firing, you can hear where it goes, where it is the shell is going to land. When it is a tank, you simply hear its fire, and then the shell lands immediately. There is a bang and it lands before you can hear it. What is the secretest thing have you ever seen? I will not tell you that. No one will understand. Only those people, the soldiers who were around here, can understand.